Okay, what are some things that you have got to do before you list your house to get it ready for sale in this market? Well, you've got to appeal to all the buyers out there. And if you have got a good realtor, they are telling you what buyers want today. Now, obviously buyers want open floor plans and high ceilings and all that, but if you've got a 1960s Rambler, that's not going to work. So what can you do? You're going to paint some nice beige walls like the ones behind me. You're going to have hopefully some updated carpet, or at least shampooed carpet. You're going to declutter. You're going to take all the stuff out of your house, because the buyer wants to be able to walk in and see their things within your house. The other thing is you're going to stage. If you've got the money to do it, it's a great idea to hire a stager. I work with a great stager, and they come in and they just do what they do to make your house most appealing. The other thing is you got to work with a realtor that knows how to do digital marketing to get the most exposure for your house, and you've got to have professional pictures taken. 87% of buyers will look online, see a house, and schedule a showing if they've got great professional pictures and maybe also a virtual tour. So just some things to think about in this market. You've got to put your best foot forward. Even though things are selling quickly, you want to get the most money for your house. And the way you do that is by having it show ready. Thanks for watching.